welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload your email list into Kartra? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to upload your subscriber list or your email contact list into Kartra anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep in touch with your subscribers, and sending out various emails through Kartra is an easy process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to import or upload an email list, what you're going to do is here on the left, click on communications. It looks like a little envelope. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to be on the lead section. Up here at the top, it should be blue in leads. Once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this plus icon in blue down here on the bottom right. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and upload your email list. So you can add them one by one, or you can do what we're doing today and import batch of leads. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and upload our email list. So you're going to scroll down. I do let you know it should be in either PX or CSV file. If you need help converting your file, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So I'm going to go ahead and drop my email subscriber list here. Okay, after you upload your file, you should see this records successfully up. Now, if you need to add another batch or another file, you can go ahead and do that right here. If not, go ahead and click on save and next. Okay, so next we have to match the fields. So for example, this one right here is New Mexico. So that is the state. So what you're going to do right here in the field is click on this drop down, and then you're just going to scroll through until you see state. Let's see here, right here. And then this one right here is a zip code. So we'll just do zip code. Right here, postal code. Okay, so now if there's a field that you're not going to be using, wouldn't really apply to your Kartra, you can go ahead and click here and then ignore this field. So for example, right here, maybe we don't really care to have the zip code uploaded into our Kartra. We would just go here and then scroll to the top and ignore this field. Okay, so once you've filled all of the fields, you want to click on save and next. Okay, next you're going to see this report. So I have 4 contacts on this list. One of them failed. So let me click here and see what happened. Okay, it looks like that one did not have an email. An email is required in order to upload. So I'm okay with that. So I'm going to have 3 records of my email list imported into my Kartra. I'm going to click on save and next. Okay, so now here, if you've already set up tags or have different lists in your Kartra or different sequences, you can go ahead and add these folks into those lists or those tags or those sequences if you wish to do so. So for me, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click on save and next. Okay, so next, Kartra does require you to fill out this questionnaire. This is to confirm that you have authorization from these people to email on their list. So go ahead and fill this out and then click on submit. Okay, next, they're going to ask you what URL is yours and how you gather these emails. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my website here. Okay, so they're going to send you an email to a branded email that you have to confirm that you are. Okay, so once you check your email, you're going to want to enter in the code here. I didn't do that because it's not one of my email lists I'm importing. However, once you do that, you want to click on check. After that, then you'll be authorized to go ahead and import and finish. Keep in mind, you don't want to use email lists that you purchased from somewhere or that you didn't get authorization to email them, because Kartra does take that very seriously and it could end up getting you kicked off the system. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import a subscriber email list into your Kartra account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.